First step, make sure your gas line is on. Next step, turn the main power on and the two drum and burner switch. Make sure to verify that your chute of coffee is closed before you start a new cycle of cooking. Pressing the yellow button will start the burner. When the burner is on, the level temperature will raise. You let it raise up to the warm or the level of heat that you need to start your torrefaction. You can also change the reach of temperature manually, so the coffee burner machine will stop cooking at the temperature that you will choose for it to stop. You wait and drop your green coffee in the machine. When you reach the temperature you want, you just drop your green bean. You press that button, meaning that you start the cooking process, and it will start the timer telling you for how long you're going to cook your coffee. If the temperature goes down, it's normal because you just put a cold product in your drum, but you will come back to the cooking temperature. When you reach 8 minutes, a signal will light up letting you know to check your cooking temperature. You confirm that you're going to check it, you look at it, you're happy with the level of cooking, you can stop the process on the burner by pressing end of cooking. Temperature is good, you start the mixer and the cooler of the mixer before you drop your hot coffee. When that's done, then you can lift the handle and let your coffee come down. When your beans are cold, you can get them out just pulling up that handle. 5 roasting process. This button will light up letting you know to empty the shaft collector. If you forget to turn off the timer after 30 minutes, it will automatically light up the emergency light and turn off the gas for you. Those 3 buttons, which are roast selection timer, are only timer. You can use them or not. They're only preset timer to let you know that after so many times your roast will be smooth, light or dark roast. If you do not use this button, you won't start the timer process, which control all of those buttons, but you can still roast by yourself using those 2 buttons, the new cycle of cooking and the end of cooking. When you reach 60 degrees or lower, you can stop the machine. Stop the burner and the cooler. The machine is off, you turn the main power off, and you turn off the gas.